with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everyone, I hope you're staying safe tonight as we've got some thunderstorms in the area. First off, the severe thunderstorm watch that was in effect all afternoon and evening has expired and not been reissued by the Storm Prediction Center. The severe thunderstorm warning is out here in the Laredo area, north and east, but it's bordering on Duval County, and that storm is going to move into Duval County. The Freer area has been hit hard tonight by heavy rain that stretches all the way up 59 towards George West. Let's take a look at it here on the Doppler radar. Now, this is going back about the last 4 or 5 hours, and you can see that here in Corpus Christi we really haven't had anything more than sprinkles. The air is relatively stable over the coastal areas, including the city, while it's unstable out to the west. So big storms are forming out here, and then as they approach the coast and the city, they are weakening, and that is going to be the trend. Therefore, the heaviest rain is going to be out here to the west of 281 and not in Corpus Christi. So if you're expecting a lot of rain here in Corpus Christi, you're going to be unhappy, but that's the message from the Weather Center tonight. You can see very heavy rain from George West, south of George West now, and then also around Freer and approaching Freer from the Carrizo Springs area and out around Cotulla. So here's this activity around George West. It sure be nice to see this at our houses and homes here in Corpus Christi with this activity approaching 281. And then you can see out around Freer the heavy rain too. All of this activity is moving to the east at about 30 miles an hour, so the heaviest of it will be in Freer by 10:44 tonight, San Diego by 11:34, and Alice before midnight as it pushes off to the east. And eventually it'll wind up here in the city. The hail markers on this, you can see how they're going away. The storms build up, they drop the heavy rain, the air stabilizes, but that hasn't happened to this particular storm yet. This is the one out here near Laredo, which is up to 55,000 feet. That's a big storm. Anything over 50,000 is usually severe. That's why they have the warning for that storm that's going to move into western Duval County in about the next 30 minutes. As you can see here on the 3D view, again, you can see the one storm up to the north there is not built up as high as these are, and we'll put it into motion, and you can see they're holding together. So some of this is going to work into the city, but in a much weakened state later tonight around midnight. I'll be here watching this and reporting back to you as necessary. The rain today, the heaviest of rain has been out to the west. We haven't had hardly anything over the eastern two-thirds of the coastal bend, but we will because of this front that's going to come in. It's 49 degrees right now in Austin and 52 in San Antonio. That front will come in, and I think the big thing with outside of the heavy rain out to the west is going to be how cool it's going to be here tomorrow with light rain falling along this frontal boundary. And with that, you can see the shower and thunderstorm activity working in, but again, it weakens as it comes to the east because the jet stream is just to our north. That's why we're seeing this happen on the water vapor imagery. So here's a future look at this. And again, I'm running out of time, but I want to show you Alice is going to get it around midnight, then over to Kingsville around 1 a.m. and into the city between 1 and 2. And then during the day tomorrow, we'll see showers override the front in the cool air. So this will primarily be light rain with a little bit of thunder mixed in at 8 in the morning up till about 11, and that'll be it. Rainfall amounts, again, heavier out to the west, lighter to the east. That's the message. So again, that's also showing up on the GFS model right here over the next few days. Day planner for tomorrow, temperatures barely reaching 60 degrees for much of the day with some light rain falling in the morning. The 7-day forecast has likely rain here overnight and in the morning, 59 and 64. It ends on Sunday, we hit 74, but we start at 58. Isolated showers return Monday and Tuesday, and Thursday and Friday of next week. Warmer Monday through Friday of next week. We'll have more news with Katya after these messages. Stay with us.